So what are we gonna do? Yeah, bruh. You will see later. But why? Can we start our this intro? Okay. Does that sound? No, not for 10 episodes. No sound for 10 episodes. Okay. Okay, so who is going to pick up do the first challenge? I know, me. Let's I have to take turns. By the way, the first one to be eliminated. But before that, we have to go into teams, don't we? Yeah, we really do. So let's put in the teams. So let's go into here, 4 of us, like there. And these, another 4 of us. Another 4 of us is here. And another 4 of us. Next, another 4 of us right here. And another 4 of us right here. Also, another 4 of us right here. And another 4 of us here. Bro, how many teams? You'll see. And just this team. Let's start. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Okay, what's our first challenge? Our challenge is to... A challenge again? A challenge, okay? Our challenge is to get to that top of the mountain. It'll take minutes for us to do that. Yeah. Don't worry. If we work together, we can do it. Okay, let's start the challenge. If any team doesn't go, well, there'll be 5 minutes. I mean, how many minutes? Should you prefer? 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes. If a team goes there after more than 8 minutes, is out. But if it was too slow, they're not up for elimination. So after that, slow, but only one team can get eliminated. So, and by the way, is it gonna begin? The counter has begun. Okay, let's go up. But how do we even go up? You'll see. We have to go up. Okay, this is a lot harder than I thought. We need to get up somewhere to see how to do this. On to the next team. Jeez, bro, what? I need to get up. Easy! But we can also climb up. Let's get up. Hello, can you? I can't. Oh no. How can we? But we got to get down. No. How do we do this? How do team 3? How do we? What are we even doing? We need to go and see the place, bro. We need to get up. Okay, and so what do we even do? Okay, let's go up. Oh, after an hour. Yeah, I'm back. I'm up. And that team 2 is first to finish. Who's gonna finish next?
So we have letter.
How do we do this? Let's just go up and the second team has finished. We have out of things left. Why are there so many and why are there so many contestants? Why are there so many teams? Because there's so many of us. This might take like 50 episodes to complete this chapter. But we can make it a little more. So can we just go up? I'm teleporting you there. So it won't be uploaded for too long. And also, you should come up. Okay, another team came up. And more are coming. Two more. And these other two is coming. And the fourth team came up. Just still more to go. And one has came up. And then this team. And they're...
Yes.
They are...
Yes.
They're totally safe.
You have to do, yes.
The counter is down to 2 minutes. You need to hurry. Oh no! 2 minutes! Oh no! Oh! No, go! And that team is safe. Only 2 teams left. Oh, these could get up, but they're missing one member. And they're climbing up to the top. Please. Ow! Ah! Yo, they fell. Yes. Let's go. Ah. You can't let them be there like this. So let's put them up here. Okay. And so this team is eliminated. So vote in the comments who should leave the show. So what? Who deserves to be eliminated? What was the most ones would leave the show? And the one with the most votes to continue. The one with the second one is also going to continue. So tap A, B, or C to vote who deserves to be. Tap D, E, or F to see who should move forward. And this is the end of